Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can bring this PC on your desktop and as well change its icon. This works on both Windows 10 and 11. So we will add this PC to this desktop, something like this. Let's get started. For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Now to add this PC to your desktop, go to Start menu and type Settings. This is the one. Click on it. Then search for Themes. Click on Themes and Related Settings. Now click on Desktop Icon Settings. This position varies on Windows 11. Anyway, click on it. Then tick on Computer. Whatever is ticked here will appear on the desktop. Click on Apply and OK. So you can see this PC appears on the desktop. Let me quickly arrange it. Anyway, you can also change this PC icon. For that, on the same settings, click on Desktop Icon Settings and choose the icon you want to change. I will change for this PC and click on the Change icon. Then choose whichever icon you want to use. I will pick this one. OK, then click Apply and OK. So you can see this PC icon has changed. If you don't like the icon, either change it again or restore it to defaults. Simply click on Restore Defaults, Apply and OK. This will revert back to the original icons. So this is how you can add this PC icon to the desktop and as well change the icon. Thank you very much.